Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut music in Clipchamp. If you don't know how to cut part of a music in Clipchamp, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app, now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now your video is on the timeline track. To cut the music, at first you need to add it. Now tap onto the audio button right here. Then again tap onto music. Now from here you can add the songs that you want to add to your video. Tap onto the plus sign button right here. Then your music will be added to your video. Now you can see the music has been added. Now to cut it, tap onto the music itself like this. Then scroll to your right where you want to cut the music and simply tap onto the split button right here. Now you can see the music has been cut. Now you can make more than one cuts to your video using the split button. And that's it. This is how you can cut the music in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.